A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. It is an essential element of any language, as it helps to combine different ideas and express complex thoughts and relationships between them. Conjunctions are generally classified into three types: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. 1. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to connect two or more independent clauses or words of equal grammatical importance. They are also called coordinators and include the following words: and, but, or, nor, for, yet, and so. Example: I will have pizza for dinner, and my friend will have sushi. She wants to go to the mall, but I want to stay home. Do you want tea or coffee? He doesn't like spicy food, nor does he like sushi. 2. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are used to connect a dependent clause to an independent clause. They are also called subordinators and include the following words: if, because, while, when, before, after, since, until, unless, etc. Example: if it rains, we will stay indoors. Because he was tired, he went to bed early. While I was waiting for the train, I read a book. When she arrived, we had already left. 3. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are used in pairs to connect elements that have equal importance in a sentence. They are also called correlatives and include the following words: either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, both, and. Example: either we go to the beach, or we stay at home. Neither the dog nor the cat ate the food. Not only did she study hard, but she also got good grades. Both the book and the movie were interesting. Overall, conjunctions play a crucial role in connecting ideas and expressing relationships between them. Understanding the different types of conjunctions and their usage is essential for constructing clear and effective sentences.